I'm really excited for the day, honestly, because today I should reach Czech Republic. I have finally left the hotel. They gave me like breakfast included. I didn't want to take it, to be honest, but it was actually nice to have it, because now I don't have to go anywhere for breakfast. I can just I can keep riding, and I will keep riding towards Czech Republic. It's not a pebble stone, but it's like a stone road. Fun! This seems like a good solution if you want to prevent speeding, because I think most cars would not speed on this. Is this the border? Or this is just like a toll? Oh, this is... I don't think this is the border. Yeah, because I haven't even reached Wrocław yet, which is a city in Poland. My butt hurts from yesterday, and I want to do some research if I need some kind of vignette for Czech Republic. The Americans are here. It's so dusty. Looks like someone ignored the traffic lights. Very bad, very bad. I am super excited for Czech Republic, and the reason for that is, well, you probably can't see from the video here, but I can already see mountains in the distance. That is like so amazing. It's I feel so happy about that. It's a real boost for my morale, for my mood, and I'm so happy to see that. I'm seeing some very dark clouds up ahead, and hopefully it's not rain. I did a little bit of research, and I found out that for Czech Republic you also don't need any vignette if you're on a motorcycle. It's getting more and more mountainous. I'm like, this is crazy. Like, it's finally hitting me that I'm doing this. Holy shit, I'm going up the mountain. I think the border is quite close now. Czech Republic, 41 kilometers maybe? Oh wow. I'm getting higher and higher in the mountains. So dark in here. Wait, if I'm in a tunnel right now, does that mean I'm inside the mountain? This is so awesome. I've had 6 not so great days, and finally some change in scenery. I would really like to eat something before I get to the border. Found some food. I found a toilet. Fun story. I almost couldn't get out of the toilet. I could not figure out how the door worked. It was like a really weird door. And another thing, there was a weird tap in the bathroom, and like I sprayed water all over myself, so now I have like my pants are wet, and that was That was a scary experience. But yeah, that thing is done now, and we continue on to Czech Republic. It's really close now. This is actually Czech Republic. I'm so glad to be in Czech Republic. It's weird, but it feels like just now the trip has started, and everything else was just noise. It's an interesting bike. It's so beautiful here. Oh man. I already have a place to stay. I contacted this one place. They don't have like a booking system, and yeah, I'm supposed to call them when I get there, and hopefully I will get this location. Otherwise I will have to be looking at hotels again, which are quite expensive in the area I'm going to. I have not ridden my motorcycle obviously much in the mountains. Hopefully I can survive. 70? You want me to go 70 here? 50, yes, that's more like it. This mountain road is making me a little bit nervous. I'm doubting in my skills. Obviously, we don't ride this stuff every day in Estonia. I'm just letting some cars pass because, yeah, let them pass because I want to take it slow. I don't want to be pressured by other cars behind me. Oh, still 119 kilometers to go. I'm really tired, but I think that's a good thing because tonight the plan is to stay in a tent. Not wild camping as I had hoped, but still it will be in a tent. They have all the facilities like showers, toilets, things like that, kitchen, even free Wi-Fi and apparently electricity. I had to have a break. It's just my ass is so tired. It hurts so bad. I think tomorrow I shouldn't do 200 kilometers tomorrow because I need a small break, please. My butt hurts so badly. That's brave. I have made it to Kutnahora. This is where I will spend the night. There is a church here that is decorated with human bones on the inside. From the outside it's like a regular church, I guess. I won't be able to film that unfortunately because as I understand it's not allowed to take pictures or videos inside. Wow. I'm pretty tired. over 200 kilometers today, and I'm ready to go to sleep. It's been an amazing day. I'm surprised at how quickly the landscapes changed from like Polish like fields and whatever, and then all of a sudden boom, you got mountains. Suddenly I'm driving up the mountains, through the mountains, down the mountains. It's just a lot of mountains, and it's pretty amazing. Yeah, I love it here, and I can't wait to go further south and see even bigger mountains, because yeah, this is only the beginning. No food today, just whatever that is, a protein shake, some raisins, some water, some candy. Yeah, I am too tired to go anywhere for food. I had quite a decent meal near the Czech border, and I'm good. I'm not gonna die or anything, so I'll do a good breakfast. I'll try.